Hello boys and girls, ladies and gents. I think that's got us covered again. What we're doing today is just a quick video show you turn a table saw into a sander. We're going to cut these tips off and we're going to stick some sandpaper on. So let's get cutting. So that's the cutting finished. Got our sandpaper. Going to use some contact adhesive for a better grip, and you'll probably better putting gloves on for that. So let's get cracking with that. Quick pointer, you want to cut the middles out so that you don't want to be wasting glue on them if you're going to just cut them out anyway. So cut them out, and that will also guide you once you're sticking them onto the blade. Oakley dokley. So that's us glued and clamped. We'll leave that for about an hour on the new table, so that's why I'm renovating the old one into a sander. I got a larger, more powerful model. You'll see the one I was using wasn't very good for large cuts, more a model makers, so be good for sanding. But so this is finished, boys and girls, and now we're going to test it. So got a wee bit of wood here, got another thicker bit there. Let's crack on. So, there you have it. Circular sander from a table saw. Cheery bye.